Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 26th April 2022 Tuesday. We will discuss the Nifty View for tomorrow and if possible a view for the next few days. Today's view was that we are in a downtrend and I have explained using the charts why we think we are in a downtrend, but there will be intermittent strong rallies, and if we sense that a rally is starting we should take an intraday long position. That's the general view. Today the markets opened with a gap and there was a sense that the gap was not being filled. So it was possible to take a long position for the day, but it wasn't easy because the idea would have been to take a long position on a sharp dip, and that dip did not come. Throughout the day the Nifty traded in a narrow range, although it maintained the gap up, but there was no dip. It was a very minor dip. So if you could manage to buy somewhere and take some profits, good for you. But while the market did give a long gap up and sustained uptrend for the day, it was difficult to actually make money out of it. That was today. The idea is to remain an intraday trader till the markets show us some signs of stability. If we want to take a position at all, then it should be on the short side of the market because the intermediate trend is down. But even the short side is not easy, but if at all, that should be the position. Now tomorrow again, as I speak to you, the US markets are down, Nasdaq is down. It's quite possible that we will open with a gap down tomorrow. If we open with a gap down, the markets could remain choppy, but because the intermediate trend is also down and we are having a gap down, it should be possible to take a short trade for the day. Ideally you want to sell on a small rally, but the trade would be to go short if the market has a gap down. That's the view for the day. We'll quickly have a look at the chart and then you'll understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. This is the end of the Nifty chart with candlesticks applied on it. I keep two charts because I use two indicators and it's useful to see the indicators separately. That's all. This lower indicator which you can see is the low lag moving average. The low lag moving average had turned flat here when the prices went up for one day here, and then it turned flat today also. Now this flat turning flat is a message that if the market goes up tomorrow, then the low lag may actually turn up and give us a buy signal. That's a big if it closes higher tomorrow. That's so till that happens, this flat line in the low lag is simply that a turning point may be coming up or a resumption of the downtrend. We'll see tomorrow. I'm also putting the second indicator which I use is the modified RSI. You can see that the modified RSI is falling. This clearly tells us that as far as this indicator is concerned, the trend is down. So both our indicators essentially suggest that there may be a downtrend. Look at this downside chart again. A very unusual trading range is now developing. Unusual because it's filled with a lot of gaps in between. But even then, this is 17,300 and this is 16,900. Inside this 400 point zone, markets are not going to give us big rewards. The rewards will come when the Nifty breaks either 16,900 this one or 17,300. Till then, take intraday trades and wait for our indicators to give another message. So far they are clearly down. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe it, and most important, press the bell icon. Jai Hind.